Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I really enjoy using Pinnacle Studio to create and share videos. Sometimes during editing, I run into technical problems, and whenever I find a solution, I love sharing it with you all so we can learn and improve together. Before we start fixing it, let me quickly show you the issue. When I open a project and play the preview, the video sometimes shows weird glitches or the preview window stays black, even though the timeline looks fine. It can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to edit smoothly. Usually this happens because Pinnacle Studio isn't using the correct graphics card in Windows. Keep in mind that Pinnacle also requires a reasonably powerful GPU. So even if you select your high-performance card, if the GPU doesn't meet the program's minimum requirements, the preview might still not run properly. Let's fix the settings first, and make sure your computer is using the best card available. For Windows 11 users, let's start by opening the Windows graphics settings. There are two ways to do this. The quick way: click on the Windows search bar, type graphics settings, and then click the result that appears. This will take you directly to the page we need. Now we'll tell Windows to always use the high-performance GPU for Pinnacle Studio. In the graphics settings window, you'll see a list of installed applications. If you don't see Pinnacle Studio 26 in the list, click Add Desktop App. Then browse to the folder where Pinnacle Studio was installed. Select the Pinnacle Studio 26 application file and click Add. Now, Pinnacle Studio 26 will appear in your list of installed applications under the Graphics Settings window. Find Pinnacle Studio 26, then click the drop-down button to open its settings. Under GPU Preference, click the drop-down menu. You'll see three options: Let Windows Decide, Power Saving, and High Performance. Select High Performance, and Windows will automatically save your selection. Now Windows will always use your dedicated graphics card when running Pinnacle Studio. Let's go back to Pinnacle Studio and test it again. Play the same project. This time, the preview should run smoothly and the image should display correctly. Another way to change the Windows graphics settings is click the Start menu, open Settings, choose System, click Display, scroll down and select Graphics Settings. Either way, you'll end up in the same place. For Windows 10 users, if you're using Windows 10, the process is slightly different. Quick way: click on the Windows search bar, type Graphics Settings, and click the result that appears. Next, click Browse, then find the folder where Pinnacle Studio is installed. Select the main program file. It's usually called studio.exe. I don't have Pinnacle Studio installed on my Windows 10 device, so I'll just use another app as an example. Click Add, and the selected application will appear in the list below. Then click Options next to the application name. Here, you'll see the same three choices: Let Windows Decide, Power Saving, and High Performance. Select High Performance and click Save. Now Windows will always use your dedicated graphics card for the selected application. And that's it. By assigning the right graphics card, Pinnacle Studio can fully use your computer's power for smooth playback and editing. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple video editing tips. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with Pinnacle Studio.